I'll never forget the first time I flew. Looking out the window at this massive metal tube weighing hundreds of tons, I thought, how is this not falling? Today I'm revealing the genius trick that keeps planes in the air, and it's so clever it'll blow your mind. Here's the secret. Airplane wings are designed to cheat air pressure. The top of the wing is curved, the bottom is flatter. This isn't random, it's genius engineering that's been perfected over a century. When the plane moves forward, air splits around the wing. Some flows over the curved top, some flows under the flat bottom. But here's where the magic happens. The air traveling over the curved top has to cover more distance in the same amount of time. To cover more distance, it speeds up. And here's the genius part. Fast-moving air creates lower pressure. The slower air underneath has higher pressure. High pressure pushes up, low pressure can't push down as hard. The wing gets lifted. This is called the Bernoulli principle, and it's pure genius. Think about it. Stick your hand out of a car window and tilt it slightly upward. Your hand rises. That's lift in action. The faster the car goes, the stronger the lift. Planes use the same trick, just scaled up massively. But lift isn't working alone. Gravity pulls the plane down. Drag tries to slow it down. Thrust from engines pushes it forward. For smooth flight, lift must equal weight, and thrust must overcome drag. It's a perfect balance of four forces. Here's what amazes me. A fully loaded Boeing 747 weighs about 400,000 kilograms. That's like 50 elephants. But at 900 kilometers per hour, those curved wings generate enough lift to keep all that weight airborne. The genius is in the shape. Birds figured this out millions of years ago. Their wings are natural airfoils. By flapping, they create thrust and adjust wing angles to control lift. Evolution perfected what took humans thousands of years to discover. So why are airplane wings curved? Because that curve creates a pressure difference that generates lift. It's not magic, it's genius physics. The Wright brothers didn't just build a plane, they built a flying pressure difference. Next video, why kicked soccer balls curve in midair? It's the same pressure genius at work. Can you guess what force makes balls bend around defenders? Drop your answer below. I'm Mr. G, and remember, every time you fly, you're riding on a century of genius engineering. See you next time.